today let's understand double circulation. So in human, blood circulation is said to have double circulation. So now let us understand why it is said double circulation. So basically in humans, blood circulation consists of two parts. First is the heart, which is also called as pumping organ, as it pumps blood to all the organs, and second are the blood vessels. Now, blood vessels are the ones which, as a pipe, carry blood throughout the body. We have two types of blood vessels. First are the arteries, and second are the veins. Now, arteries mainly carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood to the heart. So, now to understand how the circulation takes place, let us see this representation. So we have represented the whole circulation in the form of boxes. So this middle bigger box is the representation of heart. Our heart mainly consists of four chambers, two atrium and two ventricles. If we divide the heart above and below, the above two chambers are said to be atrium and lower two the ventricles. So upper two we have right atrium, left atrium. Lower right ventricle, left ventricle. So now how the blood is carried. We will see from downwards to upwards. From all the organs, the blood, the deoxygenated blood is carried through the systemic veins. Just now we see whichever blood vessels carry the blood to the hearts are the veins. So through systemic veins, it is carried towards the right atrium. Right atrium is the first chamber um right atrium is the first chamber which collects all the blood from other organs. Then, from right atrium, the blood flows to right ventricle. Now, all this blood is the deoxygenated blood. Right ventricle will pump that deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. In lungs, the blood is oxygenated. Now, this carrying of deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs is through the pulmonary artery. Now, from the lungs, the oxygenated blood through pulmonary veins will be carried to the left atrium, the left side of the heart, left atrium. From left atrium, the blood will flow to left ventricle, and now the left ventricle is the last chamber. This chamber will pump the oxygenated blood to all the other organs of the body. So basically, we can divide this whole circulation part mainly into two halves. First is this upper half where pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs and lungs give the oxygenated blood to the heart. This part as the pulmonary circulation. Why here the word pulmonary is used? Because here the use of lungs is present. So this part of the circulation is said to be pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary artery because it carries the blood away from the heart, and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary means lungs. So vein which carries the blood towards the heart. And this lower part of circulation as systemic circulation which carries the blood from heart to all the other organs of the body. So systemic veins carry the blood towards the heart and arteries which carry the blood away from the heart. So now from this explanation we can understand why is uh, blood circulation is said to be double circulation. Here the blood flows through the heart twice. First, as a deoxygenated blood, and second, as oxygenated blood. So now we understand that why circulation is called double circulation. Done.